I hope you can hear nice and clear the cricket. And I spotted this plant. I really like the colors. I think it's called the Blueweed or Viper something. I don't remember exactly. I've seen it before, but I never got around filming it yet. And now this, and further down there's another beautiful specimen. So let's have a look at it from more up close. There we go. Really pretty flowers, both in shape and color. Look at that. Hello, little bee. Look, it still has loads and loads of unopened ones. Focus, please. But just look. Just so beautiful. I think it's classified as a weed, but I don't really care about that. I like flowers, no matter what type they are. I can see that. Look, it's quite prickly. Oh, hello, little ant. Interesting. Now let's have a look at the other one too. Here's another one. And we can see it in all its splendor. Let's do that. It's quite tall. I would say like it's almost a good 40 to 50 centimeters tall. I've actually seen these grow much taller than that. It's pretty. Now let's have a look at you as well. Look at that. There's always little creatures, and I love seeing them. That cricket is really going for it. Did you know that usually it's the male crickets that make the chirping music? They are trying to attract the female. So they're working for it. He's doing a really good job. I hope a lady friend will appear and be impressed by its music. I'm really impressed with these flowers. Okay, let's see if I can find some more. No. I wish this would work like this with other things. That you can just wish for something and there it is. Look at that. There's loads of them. I'm losing the light because it's evening. But more. And some more. And these ones are much taller than the ones I showed you before. These ones are almost close to a meter tall. Beautiful. Look at you. Now, let's have a look at you, because you have loads and loads of buds. I like that. Looks like a creature from another planet. There. Okay, I hope you enjoyed meeting this plant if you've not seen it before. Look out for it in your parks or wherever you go for walks. Let me know if you have it in your area. Bye for now.